Good evening from Cambridge, doing our first sweep through the hotel room on what I'm lovingly calling our Freedom Tour. So we are in Boston right now for some client visits, and then we move on to Philly on Wednesday, and then New York Thursday. So 3 nights, 3 hotels on this whirlwind tour. So let's take a look. We're at the AC Hotel by Marriott in Cambridge. Here we go. So we walk into our room, so it was just me checking in, but we see 2 beds for the choices, and then there's me in the walk-in bathroom. Judging by the shower thing, it looks like you have 2 options. We have the rainfall up ahead, hey Gary, and then we have the wand, more body wash, shampoo, and conditioner than I can use in one day, but I'll try. Sink, bathroom, ample lighting to go blind, and then toilet. So general thing, if it were more than one person, looks like you could slide. Yeah, that might be just for show. Doesn't seem to slide unless it goes the other way. But a little bit of a privacy thing there if you had other people. That door looks to be a little bit stuck, or I need to hit the gym. Rest of the room, 2 beds. Little AC situation, some nice art, lamps, second bed, TV, not like they do in Vegas where it welcomes you by name, but kind of cool connectivity there if you want to catch up on your shows while winding down. Then this is where the business will probably happen tonight as I catch up on emails, and then charge up, and then extra chair just right on the bed, which is good if you really want to watch someone sleep. That'd be where I'd do it. And then let's look at our enchanting view of a parking structure. Some other things I do love in my travels is the views. So that's not horrible, but they're doing a fair amount of construction nearby, so hopefully this is a quiet room. Decent space. I'll check out the linens, report back on that. Hopefully tonight I can hit the gym or tomorrow morning and check that out and report back. They also have a pool. This is the one trip I did not bring swim trunks, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe a nice little whirlpool would be nice in my gym shorts. Relax a little bit tonight. So if anyone is in the Boston area, this is the AC Hotel by Marriott. It's kind of removed from most of downtown Cambridge, but I'll explore a little bit to see what else is around here. But so far, nice room, seems quiet. We'll see what time the construction starts tomorrow. And then other fun thing I like to do is count the lamps or the lights. I think overhead, those I don't think count. Bathroom probably doesn't count either. But we got, count them together, so we got 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-lamp property, unless we count these little, these doodads for your private reading. So that is our hotel review so far. Check-in was pretty easy, and no real complaints so far. But one night, and then we're off to Philadelphia tomorrow. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good night, and bye.